Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Omuguzi.
Ya mwancho muri utasene kyandize tibene chika kichindingo kwarigani atemanye mangana magia asenchera yowenge nigo charagire chinsa ikomi chabono maragoba chitariki na 2025 mutinyo ogatano omwaka w'ekirwibire na 2024 ereteria ne Dorcas Kemuma nigo tokubwatira na nere leader mose oyogo kumanya gwetira asenchera yemayero nere Petra Mukaira kwena kingamarige nechiricha aho ikire asenchera yobwikira nabo kunyoria nyayo tubwati gwetira asenchera yemetandao asensemo ya YouTube otonyera buna Ndizi TV News kuikagari ase website yetu na watore buna www.ndizitv.net na boigo asishinsemo cha Facebook tonyera buna Ndizi TV News Digital. Chumuri na kwariganire entunyare kumanya ayabaireka watekana nigo tokunya chaka kurase county ya Kisii amasomo y'ekisukuru cy'sekondari cy'oboroso y'eserikali nigo arachikogendera gotenena asirika gitamanyire ayamaiga ya abarimu b'ekisekondari cy'oboroso kogendera n'umugiro gw'emirimo yabo ase eiki ya gatatu asebono babire bagosirwa boigosengana yabirike gosirwa boigo na abateneneri bekyombe ky'abarimu kya Kupet asebono batebire mnati bago chigwancha kuirana ase mirimo yabo gwekachinga kichire serikali eraigwe ebirero byabo chinga kechiboigo nigo Kupet bono yabeire gekomochia serikali amo nekyombe kyokuborika abarimu kya TSA ase ogotayereria emirobiryo yokwenekinga ngwikiranire amaganio y'abarimu aba b'ekisukuru cy'esekondari asebono batebire nigo bagenderete gutubania omurobiryo bw'amasomo CBC naboigo kwenekinga gose asebono omurobiryo orachi gutigara maiga.
Nataka kusema ya kwamba sisi kama chama cha Kupet Kisii County ambapo tunatetea masilahi ya walimu tumeengage our government, tumewaambia ya kwamba hawa walimu wanafaa kuachiliwa kwa permanent and pensionable, na ikiwa hawataachiliwa bado hii msururo ya maandamano itaendelea mpaka ile wakati serikali itasikiza kilio chao, kwa sababu sasa hivi walipewa mpaka 1st of August. Mpaka sasa hivi we are expecting kuona circular. Tungeona circular ya kwamba from Teacher Service Commission ya kwamba tumeweka mikakati, kwa sababu pesa sipo, tumeweka mikakati ya kuwaachiri. Sasa hii tungekuwa tunaambiwa na Teacher Service Commission ya kwamba mabarua imeanza kuwa printed kuweka walimu wetu permanent and pensionable, lakini kwa sasa hivi the government iko sluggish. Kitu wamefanya sasa hivi, it is an illegality. Wameanza kutumia hawa walimu ambao wako kwa kandarasi mabarua ya show cause why their contract cannot be terminated, na kuendelea hiyo, tukienda hiyo route hapo tutakuwa tumeangamiza maneno ya elimu katika country yetu, kwa sababu if we go that direction hayo maneno yatakuwa yameharibika kabisa. Sasa tunaomba serikali kupitia kwa Ministry of Education, mashule yetu yako na shida, wanafunzi hawafundishwi, walimu hawako madarasani. Sasa hivi priorities mumeseti imekuwa tofauti, na Teacher Service Commission mahali pale wako wote, especially the CEO the Teacher Service Commission Nancy Macharia. Ambia watu wako kwa ground ambao ni county directors, sub county directors, waache kufanyia walimu wetu intimidation, because hiyo intimidation wanawafanyia haitaleta matunda. Mutaleta watu wengine, najua mko na njama ya kuleta watu wengine, wataleta watu wengine kwa ground, but awacha itimu. They have not been retooled very well kufundisha wale watoto wako shuleni. Hawa watu wamepitia mengi na wanajua ni nini CPC. CPC inakufa kama serikali itafanya haraka kusaidia walimu watoto.
Togotigana na jo mwancho mwana gusukamotwe nigo omoteneneri wabakori emirimo bya serikali Felix Koskei ono arutire kura tentindi gocha ase abakurumi abo bakora emirimo ase chobisi che serikali asatebera nigo barachi kumukiririwa egetambukiwe bagachikumukirwa egetambukiro egetindi kerichiko asibona tenege serikali yabekiro yatingirie egose yabekire emeroberi oboikirano eyego chikwene kinganko babekere byara abantu bali bakora obukurumi asibono atebabna ewizara yendemero nero yakire mono no mochando yobo bukurumi asabantu abange babeire bakonereriwa amaremo abo nabandi gotigara abatabwatinonye asiba bakubika obumenyo nigali kuja kwa nayo chingakikirana ase omonye gabo gochingira emyaka 50 ase yomurubiro bw'ekinyumba kya serikali oyomanyakaine buna National Housing Corporation asibono atabanigo barachi kubwatirana chinsemo chonsi kwene kinga babwatire abantu bali babire bakora obukurumi nakwimukirwa egetambukiro egetindi yerichiko.
The built environment, as you are aware, is amongst the sectors with the highest levels of corruption, and it is always referred to a wet area. Citizens have been cheated out of their land. Others have lost their investments as a result of acquisition of units in buildings that later come to collapse. The fight against corruption is in full gear, with goodwill from the highest office in the land. Therefore, be warned that no person shall be spared in the eradication of these vices. Build environment, right from building housing, areas of construction of roads, constructions of railways, construction of dams, is an area that is bringing a lot of headache because of corruption. That is where we lose money. That is where there is loads of wastage of public funds. I urge all the professionals that are here, and I have met most of you, that we are dead serious about fighting corruption. And it's about time that all professionals should really step forward and be counted in fighting corruption. And that don't require much. You just stick to your code of conduct. Be faithful when you are generating your BQs, when you are designing structures. Be faithful to the cause when you are supervising the construction or the coming up of those structures. That is all what we are asking you to do. And I want to add that one may escape the dragnet now, either by luck or by design, but no one will be on the run forever.
Kicho boigoni gokosgei abasabire abakori emirimo be serikali koba abakene na boigo abegeno goche ase chibesa cha emirimo eri bakora anena sobwagachi wechipara asibono aborire abantu bonsi kwene kingango tichabale emenganye eria egosokya yechibesa gose emenganye yobukurumi asibono ababorire koba nabo gose koba abantu bagotumeka abuya asokokora obukurumi imeyenseto ya Kenya
that are responsible for investigation, responsible for prosecution, the resourcing of judiciary that is responsible for hearing those cases and expediting matters in court. I know for sure that those who are hiding have a very short time, and the law will catch up with you, and we shall for sure come for you if you still continue stealing. And you know how things are done in this bill environment. You either front load, you either compromise on quality, you either turn your focus to other side when the contractor is doing terrible things. And I want to urge all of us, and especially the board and management of NHC, to be very vigilant and to ensure that corruption will not be part of this agenda moving forward. I also urge all the architects, through the chair, all the engineers, both structural, civil engineers, environmental engineers, and all the professionals to be counted in this war against corruption. It will be good to be counted as those people who stood up against corruption in this generation that will turn the trajectory of governance and good financial management. So I urge all of us to take that one seriously. It's a very serious agenda.
Togotigana na yobokurumi na kwirana goika ase wizara ya Chisemi nenchera yamo yogosira Chisemi ni gobono county ya Murang'a yachakire omurobiro bwo kubwatoka endagira gwecia ase chiskuru ase bono omurobiro yorachi gokonya aboro kiwo gotigara ase chiskuru na kwegenderea na masomo abo nabo igoko guswania omosigo boko weika ase chinka ase kugenda ase chindagira cha mubaso kaukwana korwa ase eskuru yamo imeye county yomo gavana we county ya Murang'a agati ya baraibande ni gobono batine omurobiro yoga ni gorachi gokonya anene aboro kiwo bari bakorwa ase chintakana bo igokwana kinga abana bonsi ingocha bare ase chiskuru ase kireni gabana bange babaire bawotiga chiskuru ase engencho yokuborwa kwechindagira korwa ase chinkachabo ase bono atebona ni gobono omurobiro yorachi gosegeta boikirano abana goichirorana ase chiskuru na egenta sabire gegendere goche ase chinsemo chinde.
Of course, there's a legal problem because counties do not deal with primary schools, they don't deal with secondary schools. So we were at a dilemma, how do we come in and help parents in primary school, whereas primary education is not devolved. However, we decided to get a middle ground. Parents copy and us we get a donor who supports the balance.
Wengine hata wanakosa kukuja shule kwa sababu huko manyumbani saa zingine kuna mashida mingi sana. Mzazi anashindwa labda huyo mtoto hajakula kitu kutoka asubuhi na hata labda usiku yenye imepita hata hakukuwa amekula. Kwa hivyo hii program itasaidia kuweka watoto shule na iweze watoto waweze kuperform vizuri juu watalimini shule.
Our population has continued to grow. The runners have embraced it, they're enjoying the food, the parents are here in large numbers, they are enrolling for the program and we hope they will continue supporting the program.
Tufurahisha sana kama wamama, unaweza tu kuwa na hizo 20 bob kwa nyumba, lakini asiwezi kukadimia mtoto kubeba chakula. Lakini sasa kuna programu nzuri, ni kuweka tu hizo pesa hizo 20 kwa simu, alafu mtoto wako anasafiwa lunch.
Mtoto atakuwa na kula chakula ambacho si baridi. Vile chakula chenyewe kimetayarishwa kwa kuzingatia viwango vifaavyo vya usafi. Kwa hivyo magonjwa mengine ambayo tunapata ya tumbo ni kumaanisha hayo yatakuwa ni mambo ya kihistoria.
Omurai wense Dr. William Ruto amono mokonyi oyeri gazigashawa ni gobono babori we kokora chimusanano ekyochire egati yabo kagukwana omugabana we county ya Isiolo Ibrahim Guyo ni gobono atebino ekubagekana kwa baraja babire ni gokora baise kwa kogera ensete ya Kenya nero kubagekana aseboigo atebina nigo okubagekana ko boigo kora rente koirana maiga kwa amagendero asebono abasabire goche amo na gokora egasi asobwa amo buna babete bagochorwa amo
anataka na pia kuombea viongozi ili waweze kufanyia wananchi kazi na wafanye huduma yao kwa njia ambayo Mungu anafanya nini inamfurahisha Mungu. So mimi najua huko juu iko shida kidogo na mimi ningependa kuambia Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto pamoja na naibu yake Rigathi Gachagua, hii kiti walipata katika hali ngumu sana, walipitia changamoto mingi sana, wakaombea Mungu na Wakenya. Sasa wamepata viti, wamekalia viti.
Omwanjumuriria aigano ngoikera mwere wa mangana magia ase enchira yobenge korende aiga mona yanda mange nonyanyole chikuraga enso yemo ase enchira yobwagare to basa kumocha Koligere gitasene Kyandizi TV eri bweso mwebe manyana boigo kwegokya eri tari anedor kaske momana ni gotobwatira na nere Lydia Mose oyore okumanya gwetera senchera yemanyerio nere Petra Mokeira ene kinga amaribine chibicha awikire senchera yobwekera no twara koligere yokuya Imyandizi TV abo bwansu womugusi